Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hopefully you guys are doing well. So first of all, I just want to start with something. I was just watching a Netflix documentary, so which is Mr. McMahon. If you guys watched WWE during the 90s, specifically during the 90s, my personal suggestion would be go ahead and watch that. You will love it. So I was on the fourth episode right now, and it was still 18 minutes remaining. So I thought, the time is it's already like 2 a.m. now, so I just wanted to complete the videos and then I want to continue that because it brought back a lot of memories. If you watched Attitude Era, you will love it. So with that said, let's start. Okay, so finally I got hang of PKs along with the premiums and Optimus Prime as well. So for next 2 weeks we are going to unbox PKs. So let's start with this. Okay, so here it is, the McLaren P1. So I do have the P1, but I think I'm having it in this kind of pearl blue color. So I really loved that one. That was really nice. So this is a Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. So I do have a lot of Vipers by Hot Wheels, and you know it is really good. So this one, a lot of people are talking about. I need to see how this one looks in hand. The Honda S800 Racing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure not a lot of people are actually fan of tuned versions of normal cars, but I personally like it because it's just small, tiny and cute, and you can keep it in very limited space. So this is the '94 Toyota Supra with this Fast and Furious livery, and so one of my personal favorite in this box, which is the Aston Martin High Speed Edition. So this is kind of the rolling metal series, but they didn't mention like that. They went with Muscle Mania. I'm not sure why. And everyone's favorite, the Nissan LB Silhouette. So we will be unboxing this on this week, and for next week, let's start with this. The Silverado EVR steps again. I'm personally not a fan of EVs, but so this looked really nice. It looks really heavy and chunky, so I bought it. And so another thing, the Ford GT. This is one in the box, if you guys are wondering. And a lot of things are, whatever I showed you just now, apart from the Toyota Supra and maybe the Aston Martin. So rest are like only one in the box. So here is one of the really most beautiful, or most awaited casting, I can say, or a lot of people actually loved this casting so much. So the Gordon Murray Automotive T.50S. So I really want to unbox this as soon as possible. And the Toyota Supra. So this is in my personal favorite color, and it is really a glittery green, and I personally loved it so much. So I bought it. It does have some livery. So once we unbox it, we will see that way up close, and it is not easy to see with naked eye. And my all-time personal favorite, the Lamborghini Huracan Super Tornado. Sorry, Torfio. So this is also one in the box. This one, and also whatever I showed, I don't know about the Silverado EV. I didn't notice it that much, but apart from that, whatever I showed you just now, all are like only one in the box. And last but not least, the Chevy Impala. So this is a treasure hunt in this one. So luckily I was able to get one because I unboxed like 4 boxes and everything was scalped out. So I was able to get one luckily. So I'm happy that at least I got one. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. So stay tuned for this unboxings, and once we complete these two videos by next Sunday, I'm just planning to do this uh, you know case review, whatever I'm just keeping here, this display cases here, this acrylic cases, and these Hot Wheels cases behind me, because a lot of people are asking the same question over and over again, and literally like every week at least I'm getting easily like 10 to 15 comments be just for this acrylic cases and this cubicles. So I will be doing a small review on those by next Sunday, so stay tuned for that one as well. So as of now, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.